How to fix emoji game not working on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how to fix an emoji game not working on Instagram. First, open the Instagram mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app. Next, go to the direct messages section and open the inbox of any user. After that, send an emoji. Make sure you send only one emoji. Next, tap on the emoji and this emoji game should appear. In case that does not happen, then don't worry, I will show you a couple of ways to get it. Exit the Instagram app and open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using, because this tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Instagram. Check if the Instagram app is up to date or if it needs to be updated. You can check this by looking for an updated text here. If the text reads open, then it means you are using the latest version of the app. So exit the app and open the Instagram application again. After that, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will land on your Instagram profile section where you will see things such as your followers and followings tab. From there, tap on the menu icon. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol. This will take you to the settings and activity section of your account. From there, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page where you will see a section named More Info and Support. Under the section, there are options such as Help, Account Status, and About. From the options, tap this one named Help. This is the Instagram help page where you can find sections such as Report a Problem, Account Status, Meta Verified, Help Center, Privacy and Security Help, and Support Requests. From the sections that are here, tap this one named Report a Problem. Finally, you will land on this section that you can use to report a technical problem. If a feature or product isn't working correctly, you can give feedback to help make Instagram better. So tap here and the other page opens where Instagram is asking us if would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics. This information about your device, account, and app related to the issue that you are reporting will be automatically included in this report in order to help Instagram understand and resolve the issue. So choose between the two options at the bottom. I will choose Don't Include and Continue. Finally, you will land on this feedback box where you can type a short message to Instagram asking them to help fix the issue. You can type the following message. Hi Instagram support team, the emoji game feature is not working on my account. Kindly fix this issue on my account. Thanks. Finally, send the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution.